Okay, next I would like to show you how to use the custom tool menu, similar to what we can do in Geometry Sketchpad. So this time let's create the circumcenter of a triangle and maybe the circumcircle too. I'll make two separate tools, one for finding the circumcenter and one for finding the circumcircle. So I need a triangle. Remember, you always, to make a polygon, you click on the points and then you have to click back on the last point and the first point and have to match up. So there is our triangle. Let's see, we're going to construct perpendicular bisectors. There's a tool for doing that. So just click on the sides, boom, boom, boom. We only need two, but I'll click on all three just to confirm they intersect at a common point. And then we have the intersection tool under the points. So click on any two of the lines there. So there's the circumcenter. Let's hide the points we used to, or the lines we used to construct it. So I right-click, Object Properties, and click on Show Object. That's one way. Or you can just right-click and click on Show Object. Okay. Let's rename the point D. I'm going to right-click on D and rename this thing. Let's call it C-center for circumcenter. So now we have a triangle and we have its circumcenter. Okay. So suppose I have another triangle and I wanted to find its circumcenter and I didn't want to do the full construction. We could make a tool. So use the menu bar, go up to Tools, and we're going to create a new tool. And it's pretty simple. You have the output objects as the first screen. You have to select what you want to be output by the tool, and there's a drop down menu. I want to find the circumcenter. Okay, so pick everything you want to be output by the tool. I just want it to be the circumcenter if I give it the vertices of a triangle. You can click next or just the next tab button, it'll take you to the next one. And in order to find the circumcenter, I'm going to need to know the vertices of the triangle, and it automatically put those in there because it's pretty smart. It knows what it needed to construct those. But there's a drag down menu where you could pick things as well. And then finally next it goes to the name icon menu. So let's name this circumcenter. So there's the name as it'll show up in the toolbar. Then there's also the command name. I'm not going to talk much about that right now, but there's a lot of actually algebraic commands you can type in down here instead of using the point and click. So that's what that refers to. So I'm just going to call them both circumcenter. On Tool Help, you can give it a little description that it'll put below it up here on the toolbar. So I usually, when I make a tool, tell it what needs to be clicked on to construct the tool. We need 3 points, so let's say points A, B, C, just meaning the 3 points of a triangle. Finish, and there we go. We created a new tool. If we'd messed anything up, it would have told us, and it shows up here on the toolbar. So let's use that tool now on this triangle. So we click there, and then I need to click on vertices, A, B, C. Doesn't really matter which order. And there's the circumcenter for this triangle. We can drag and see. Okay. So that's how you use tools. That's automatically going to be available in this particular sketch. If I save the sketch, let's save as, how about circumcenter? .ggb. Save that, and let's close this one down and pull back the circumcenter, open it up. That tool should still be there. It's a part of the actual sketch that we created. You always got to wait on Java. It's a powerful language, but it's kind of slow to open up. See, our tool is still there, the circumcenter tool. You can also click on Tools, Manage Tools, and click on Save As, and you can save the tool in another sketch, and then you can open and load that tool in other sketches. Okay. But I'm not going to do that right now either. We're just going to save it here in this particular sketch. Let's add quickly the Circumcircle. I'll click on the Circle tools. We can do circle by center and radius, circle by 3 points. That would work pretty quickly. Let's do this through the center. We have the center, the circumcenter here. So click on center and then any of the vertices of the triangle, and we have the circumcircle. See, pointer tool. There we go. I should be able to drag any of them. Let's see. I wasn't clicking just right. Okay. Let's create one more tool. Let's create the Circumcircle tool. So tools, create new tools. The circle through G, the only circle in my construction right now is the Circumcircle. Let's make it automatically spit out the center also, which for that particular circle was G. Okay, next we would need the vertices of that triangle, which are D, E, F. And then give it a name, Circumcircle. And so let's tell this one again, points. I always just call them ABC, arbitrary vertices of a triangle. And there we go, we got a new tool. So I don't see it up here. That's because we now have more than one tool. See, the little arrow appeared and we can pick different tools. So Circumcircle, A, B, C, boom, there we go. And of course we have duplicate copies of its circumcenter now. Alright, well that's it for creating custom tools.